Wolf gang, this is the Wolf the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking into NAS 100. Alright, and guys, see, this is our analysis from the previous video, and the market did exactly how we anticipated. Alright, it did, like, it obeyed the rules. Alright, because that's what the market does. If you understand the rules, you set them up for it and it obeys. Alright, so what happened is that we say that from the previous video that the market, what was it gonna do? We said because it broke this trend right here. Let's go to daily. Because it broke this trend, alright, what did we say? We said that it's gonna come back and retest, and after doing so, what is we say that it's gonna explode like crazy. Alright, and it did exactly that. Alright, even you can see here, it did reach the level that we anticipated that the market was gonna reach. Alright, so now for this coming week, what we expect the market to do is to drop. Alright, because remember, after an explosion, he has to come back and retest, alright, to come down. After he has done that, we explode again. Alright, because that's how it moves, man. Alright, because the next level that we are looking to go to is this one up here. Alright, so meaning for now what we're gonna do, the market's gonna drop. That's the anticipation. Alright, from judging from our previous week's analysis, right? So meaning we expect the market to drop. Maybe it's gonna play for a while, but at the end of the day, it's gonna explode. Alright, it doesn't matter how long is it gonna stay on a decline. Alright, for this coming week, expect a decline. I don't want to lie to you, expect a decline, but it is possible that I think this coming week is going to be CPI. It is possible that it's going to drive the price even further up. Alright, so but a decline is expected judging from the previous video analysis. Alright, so now we're gonna clear the charts, and after clearing the charts, we're gonna reanalyze and check if for the possibilities, other possibilities and all. Alright, so let's just get into it, guys. Okay, so as we can see from the weekly perspective, I can see that already that we're gonna be having a little bit of a struggle. We're gonna be having a very struggle, like, before we get the result that we want. Alright, because if you look at it from the weekly perspective, alright, so it shows that there's a high possibility that the market for this coming is gonna decline up until this level, either on the floor. So meaning it's gonna retest this broken trend line once again. Alright, and once it's that close to the trend line, so meaning there's gonna be a lot of possibilities for it to get inside the trend. So meaning once it gets inside the decline, possibilities for us to keep on going down are very high. Alright, so maybe the Great Depression, the next Great Depression that's coming, will be it. Alright, but we are still hopeful that the market is going on a rise. Alright, but according to what we are seeing from the weekly perspective, things don't look as good as we want them to. Alright, but let's just go to daily and see more of what's going on. Alright, but still the case, man. For this coming week, I don't want to lie to you all, we're expecting a drop. Alright, if it drops like a lot, at least this has gotta be its final position, final destination. Right, it has to be here. If it breaks here, then it's bad news for us. Alright, let me put it up. Alright, so meaning we are not expecting the market to go below that level, this level here. Let's put a rectangle. We are not expecting the market to go below this rectangle. If it does, it's bad news for us. Alright, because it's gonna be a very difficult journey. Alright, like if it does break, like it won't make sense for the market to, alright, only gonna make sense for the market keep on playing along and end up breaking to the downside. Alright, that's the only logic that's gonna make sense. Alright, so hopefully the market doesn't do this, because we don't want it. Alright, hopefully, but you don't know. Price rejections, fundamentals, they drive the market like crazy. So hopefully they're gonna give us what we want. Alright, but for this coming week, guys, I don't wanna lie, I don't wanna say what, but a drop is expected, especially on Monday. if on Monday the market doesn't move, because it is possible that the market might fail to move and be like for maybe 3 days or 2 days, and then when it drops, gives you a minor drop and then continue with its upwards movement, because this thing has happened before, right? Because remember, what we are applying here, we apply based on the previous data, man. All right, so from previously we've seen this thing happen. All right, so meaning there's a chance that this will take place also. All right, but we'll see how the market plays out, guys. But I don't want to lie, a drop is expected for this coming week. All right, for how big, I don't know. All right, but up until this level, we're gonna retest this level down here, that's for sure. If it doesn't, okay, let's see if we have possible levels here. Yes, we do. Let's put in horizontal array right here. All right, so we have another floor here. So if the market declines, we'll come to this level maybe and then explode to the upside, right? Because that's the direction we're headed towards, and this is ideal. All right, so this is an ideal movement. This is what we want from the market. All right, so we'll just see, guys, how it plays out. All right, because obviously not always gonna get what we wanting. All right, but at least to give us something like this, because remember we are looking to have a new high this year. All right, all-time high, a new all-time high. All right, because we haven't had it in a year now. All right, so ultimately our ultimate goal is to create an all-time high. We have to break this level here. That's our ultimate goal. All right, so and we're still holding on our position. If I'm gonna show you right now, as you can see, this is our position right now. All right, still holding on it. It's from about $664 and now sitting at 6,003 something. All right, that's where it's seated now. All right, so it's a very huge move, guys. Yeah, we are very into deep. All right, but for this coming week, we're expecting to lose about maybe $2,000. No, about 20,000 rand, which about $3,000. Yeah, nope, about $1,000, somewhere there. But we are looking to lose more for this coming week because we are expecting a drop. All right, so not so sure how much we're gonna lose it, but we know for sure that for this coming week the market's gonna drop like crazy. As you can see, sitting here, and you can see our margin and everything. Like, guys, we're in too deep. All right, so but this week's drop, we don't know for sure if it's gonna be that major or what, but we know overall we are looking to create an all-time high. All right, so when you trade, guys, just be on the lookout for that. So this coming week might be our indicator, like my direct, if the market we go into the Great Depression or we're just gonna have a beautiful year. This week might be the direction, like might be our indicator. All right, because two things could happen, and one is bad news, the next is the greatest news. All right, so we finna see how the market plays out, guys. We finna see. All right, but we are hopeful that we are not going to a Great Depression, like, but you never know. It's whatever. But guys, if you learn anything from this video, you know what you have to do. Give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man, and peace.